I just picked this up. This is a Bella Pro Series touchscreen air fryer, and I believe this is a 12 quart. Let me confirm that. I did that damage here. 12.6 quart air fryer. Now, we've been using the air fryer now, how long now? About 6 months?
Yeah, maybe a little bit more.
We started with a small 2-quart Bella Pro Series, which was on special for $20. Then we got a 4-quart Bella Pro Series for $20 as well. We gave the other one away because the 4-quart was a lot bigger than the 12-quart, but the 4-quart didn't have, I'm sorry, not 12. The 2-quart we gave away and started using the 4-quart. Now, the difference between the 2-quart and the 4-quart that we switched out was that the 2-quart one had a digital display and the 4-quart did not. But that was fine with me. You just turned the dial and that was it. And you heat your food up. And I just think it's so much easier to use compared to pulling out what would be the normal thing. You would have to get oil. I mean, I guess we're not even using cooking oil anymore as much.
Yeah, when I do the air frying, I don't use any oil.
So you don't have to make that mess when you're frying in the stove. The grease goes up all over the place on the walls, and you have to clean up. Am I correct?
Yeah, I mean, I still cook things on the stove, but
But using this,
yeah, I'm doing this instead of using the oven.
Yeah.
And that is a bigger mess. And in the summer, not very practical.
Well, when you're doing pork chops and stuff too, as well, it's easy to use this. You cook it from beginning, right? With this, you don't have to fry it on a pan.
Yeah, and I'm able to, instead of baking them in the large oven, bake them in the air fryer.
Okay. So we're just gonna do an unboxing on this one, and then we'll come back and do another video and let you know how we feel about it. I think pretty much we're gonna like it. The reason I like the Bella Pro series fryers is because we read that it's Teflon free.
Yeah.
Teflon or Bella Pro series air fryers are supposed to be Teflon free. So we read on the internet. Please double check yourself. I'm not an expert, just a regular user. And this is much bigger than the 4-quart one. These are all pieces. Huh.
Oh, that's for a rotisserie. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And came right off. Nice and shiny on the top. I think it vents through the top as well as through the back. We will nothing else in here. Let me just double check that. This thing is big and pretty heavy. This is everything you get within the box itself. Be careful, this was inside in the packaging as you saw me removing it. I don't know what it is. Maybe my wife could tell me what this is.
Probably the rotisserie tool. Yes.
Oh, that goes at the end, so you stick it in the meat and it...
Yeah.
Okay. So it sort of goes like this.
I don't know how to use it. I've never used the rotisserie.
And then you tighten it, I guess, right? Would that
I'm
be?
assuming.
Okay.
But I have no idea how.
It's in the, I guess it'll be in the instructions.
Oh, maybe it goes facing inside. Or, yeah, maybe that way. I don't know.
I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna do it this way so it can fit in. We could kind of put it away. Keep us from hurting ourselves. All right, so let's, this is the front. I don't have that much room to show you a lot of, it's pretty heavy, pretty big. Let me do some measurements. So from top to bottom, it's about 15 inches. Left to right, about 12 and 3/4 inches. 12 and 3/4 inches. That is largest area. And then this is about 12 inches front to back. 12. So let's do it. 12.
Should be 12 as well.
12 and about 3/4. Or 1/8. 12 and, I'm sorry, 7/8, almost 13. 15 from top to bottom. And you're gonna need some extra inches for the actual vent. This is the vent itself. This has got to be clear. And this is a nice cable storage.
Oh, it doesn't go in? So you need about another inch for that or more.
Well, you're gonna need space anyway for the air fryer. And the actual cable itself is a regular 2-prong. And the measurement will be about 34 inches. 2 feet, 10 inches, 34 inches. Something like that. So that's as far as the outlet can be. This is the back. This is the side. This is the other side. And then let's turn it upside down so you can see the bottom. A lot of venting area. These are rubber feet right here. Rubber feet. Rubber feet here, here, and here. Do these come out? Just curious. Yeah, the rubber feet come out. I guess I'll put them back. They come out if you want to take them out. And just have these as the feet. And I guess this is a vented area. It's a 1/4 of an inch of space, I believe, for venting area. Okay, now let's look at the front. It's digital. I think the max is 400 degrees, right? It doesn't go past that. I think the other one's 400 degrees as well. If you look at that dial, does it say 400 degrees?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, max is out at 400 degrees. Remove before using, so this is sort of a digital display cover. Tells you what you can do. Really easy. Once you start using it, it'll be easy to use. All right.
Oh.
It's cute, right?
Yeah, I got confused there for a second.
It's like it disappeared. But we'll turn it on and try it out. So that's the front. Let me put this away. I'm hoping not to have to return it. I think this is the biggest. I think, you know, I have fallen in love with air frying. I have air fry everything, even unfried. Can you put that in there, in the box? Just tape it to the white stuff, just in case. If there's something wrong and we have to return it or something. So I love air frying now. It's just so much easier. Can you, on the white area? No, not the bag, the white, yeah. It's easier to, yeah. Oh, it has a door. Oh, okay. I thought it slid out. Oh, I had a different view on how it would open. It's like a microwave.
Yeah, so your concern was that you do like the basket type. So I'm hoping with the basket type, it's super easy to clean.
Well,
I hope this is not too bad to clean.
Since this is going to be here and not in the back, I don't mind not having the basket because the plate could be near. So what it is we had the air fryer, the other one, at another location in another room, out of the way, and the basket was convenient to bring back to the kitchen and the other location. There is no basket, that's fine. I could heat the food up here and then my plate can be nearby. There was no room for a plate at the other location. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's what it is. So let's measure this. Can you hold this like this? So within here we get the opening itself is about 7 inches. And then from left to right, about 11, I'm gonna rough it, almost 11 inches. Front to back, about 9.5 inches. That's all the way up to the edge. Now I'm gonna do to the area, cause it's got like
A little lip in there.
a little lip here, so I'm gonna tell you the lip area within there. It's about 8 inches, a little lip area. From this end to this end, the lip area, 8. About 10. So you lose about an inch. 8 and 10 with that. Okay. And the air fryer coils, what gets hot is up there. You can see. And then, it's pretty heavy, this door. It's really heavy. Really.
Is it glass or?
Yeah, there's 2 glass.
Yeah.
There's a glass in here, out inside, and a glass on the outside. And now we can see.
No, there's
Straight
really
through.
No cooking in there.
So you can see what you're cooking. So let's take that apart and come back. We unpacked all the accessories. That's everything that comes inside of it. A little pizza tray thing here. I like this drip pan. That's great. So now we can put it on the bottom, and if anything drips here, easy to clean. This would be, what is this?
For the rotisserie?
For the rotisserie with this item. So it's pretty much everything that comes. Why does it have 2 of these? For any reason? Or is it 2
Two
trays?
levels, 2 trays.
Oh,
You
there's
can
2
cook
levels.
twice the
Okay.
amount.
Oh,
And then
okay.
it has the pizza pan as well.
Well, I'll tell you this much. So these are 2 levels. We're gonna put it together. So this is everything that comes inside the with the item. So make sure you got everything that's in here if you're purchasing this, especially if you buy it used. Make sure everything came with it. This is everything inside. So let me just show you one thing. We'll put it together and show you how it looks. This will probably just be put in a drawer until we get a chance to use it. And the instructions. So this is the other one that we had. And if you look at them, it is a lot bigger, this one, than this one. Again, this is our 3rd air fryer within a 6-month period since we've got. I just happened to see it on sale one day and said, let me try it. I've heard so many things about air fryers from friends. And I said, let me just try it out. And it's just so much easier to heat. And there's something about air frying that tastes very different than when you microwave.
Yes.
It's just, it tastes different. So, you know, this is much taller, much bigger. Wow, even front to back. If you put them, it's got to be at least 3-inch difference. And then you got the front to back here. Pretty big. It's a lot bigger. This one. Let me just show you the door. The door has a vent here on the top, and it has a vent can you hold this camera like this, please? Mm-hmm. And it has a vent. Let me just turn it around. Underneath as well, as you can see. This is the vent on the bottom part of the door. So let's start putting the pieces together. I'll hand them to you and you put them in. So I guess how we're probably most likely going to. Oh, one thing I've got to say. So I have to tell you, maybe a little higher, no?
You could.
You know what? So you have more space.
The,
No, that's fine. Perfect.
sorry,
Okay.
right there.
Okay.
It has to be within the groove, so you could move it.
No, it's okay.
One
No, I don't mean the
in the
top one. I
middle.
mean the bottom one. higher with the bottom one, but that doesn't make any sense because I'd like to have the most space to put a large
Yeah.
amount of items there.
Yeah.
But I gotta tell you one thing I do like about this idea over our normal one with the basket. You can't, can you hold this really quickly? What I found was, even though with this tray at the bottom, which makes it convenient because the heat and the air gets underneath the food, so it heats up the other side. So if I'm doing a pork chop, if it's, facing this way, it circulates the heat, the top and bottom, but the top always is cooked more than the bottom. So sometimes I've had to flip it over. Okay, and because it's so low here between this tray and the bottom of this. So one of the nice things that I'm looking forward to in this is that when you cook, everything will be cooked at once. So the top will be just as cooked as the bottom. And there shouldn't be any flipping over because it's opened more. Would you say that that's so?
Hopefully.
So I'm hoping for that. And we'll get back to you. We'll let you know on the second one, on the second video we do, and that'll be just us using it with normal people who just buy things, try them out, and then do a video just to let you know how we like the item, don't like the item, unboxing, so you can get an idea of the item before you purchase it. And if hopefully these videos help. So I guess I'm gonna end the video here. Anything else you have to say?
No, I'm looking forward to trying it. See how it works.
Let's plug it in just to turn it on, make sure that it works, and see how the screen looks. Okay, you just plugged it in. There's the light. You open the door, the little light goes on. The interesting part about this is that it will not turn on when the door is open. You have to close the door, then turn it on, and it'll come on. All the buttons will come on. And then if you have the door open while it's on, it will not turn off. Just for you to know. All right. So we're gonna try it out, do another video. Anything else you want to say about it?
Let me just look. No, I don't think so. No, it's just, what is this? You can turn on the light to see what's inside.
Yeah, it has the light on and off switch.
Oops. The temperature to increase, it only goes up to 400 like the other one.
And the lowest is the lowest is 150 degrees,
Okay.
and it just came on. We could stop it if you want. I think it does a cool down. Last 2 minutes. Okay, it's off now. All right, so we're gonna end the video here. Come back, let you know yay or nay. Well, we're gonna do another video on it, and let you know how we like it, how we don't like it. I'm hoping we do like it. It's a significant upgrade to this one. This one's great. We have no issues with it. It works very well. There'll be plus and minuses for the differences, mostly the size. But I think we're gonna be happy with this. What about you?
Yeah, I think to turn off, you have to hold the power button, but we'll have to review the
All right, we'll do
instructions.
another video on it because we're just learning it ourselves. The original one was a digital one, and we went back to this analog timer,
Basic.
and it was pretty easy to use, and the temperature was on time. Now it's going to be the digital form. We'll see what happens. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Please like and subscribe. Bye now.
Bye.